Welcome to our tutorial on how to send a GIF on WhatsApp web on your PC. Let's dive into the simple steps to add some fun and creativity to your chats. To begin, open WhatsApp on your PC. This is where you can easily communicate with your contacts and spice up your conversations with GIFs. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to send the GIF. Whether it's a group chat or a one-on-one conversation, GIFs can add a touch of humor or express emotions in a lively way. Now, look for the smile face icon in the chat window. This icon is your gateway to a world of expressive GIFs that can make your messages more engaging. Click on the GIFs tab within the smile face menu. Here, you'll find a wide array of GIF options to choose from, ranging from funny animations to heartfelt messages. Scroll through the GIF collection and select the one that best suits your message or mood. Once you've found the perfect GIF, click on it to select and send it in the chat. By following these user-friendly steps, you can easily send a GIF on WhatsApp web on your PC, bringing a dynamic and animated element to your conversations. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your messaging experience on WhatsApp web even more enjoyable and interactive.